Boys, e get something wey I want let una understand. You see bear, this season, na we go lift this EPL trophy. Me, I no dey for all this win, draw 5, lose 10 type of season. I wan make we do wetin Man City do for EPL last season. Any team wey we jam, we go chook fake for their eye, bend them, carry their ashes give their fans, make them bury. In short, I wan make we dey move like train wey no get break, so that we go fit jam anything wey dey for our road.
But Kochi, if we no get break, Man City fit come derail us o.
Will you shut up your mouth? If you talk when I dey talk again, ba, I go sell you give all this Chinese club. Nonsense. As I been dey talk, you see this fame wey we carry win all our preseason games, ba? Na him we go carry finish EPL season. Let us make Man U great again, and we go carry this trophy came back Old Trafford.
But Kochi, how we go take handle teams like Wolves?
Very good question. You see, bear, for this life I don't understand something. You get some teams where they like cake rich. No matter where you go, they must always find you come your house. Now so Wolves dey. No matter how strong you dey, they must collect their paint. So no worry about them. The only God go help us. Zigay.
Sir?
You see that gloves where you carry catch ball last season?
Yes, sir.
Abeg, no carry that gloves enter this season. No dey give strikers bonanzas, abeg. It go really help us.
Okay, sir. Na him be say, I go borrow couture gloves with that now.
No try that nonsense.
Boys, I go now because e be like say, na only una remain we get small ball experience. As them no gree me sign any player this season. Na him be say, na one chance all of us there now. William, sir, as I don't go Madrid. Na him be say, na you be our number 10. Na your time to come out for him shadow. Kande!
Sir?
Na only you I carry get small up for midfield. As you dey like this, you dey remind me of SCM. I like that guy well, ba. And the guy shot the tear my head. And I know him sabi who black pass inside two of una. Anyhow, sha, I dey believe your defense. Louise!
Sir?
This season is not a season of gambling. I beg no gamble our reputation.
Yes, sir.
Finally, I go like let una know say this season na survival mode we dey. Our job na to finish top 4. And make we no go disgrace ourselves for Champions League. Other clubs go feel say we no get squad again. Say na relegation get us this season. But na our strength be that. We go shock them like barbed wire.
Hey!
Guys, wetin happen last season no fit happen again this season. Them don to collect our bet right from us. We must to finish top 4 this season because now our bet right be that.
But Kochi, I don dey play for Arsenal for like forever now. Every season na top 4 we want finish. We no fit get ambition to carry EPL trophy again. I be them swear for us. Now why big players no dey gree come Arsenal again? Because we no get better ambition.
Your father left Nyash there. I want to carry EPL title when you never reach top 4. You don't know say na because of Liverpool and Arsenal them create top 6? Because we no gree reach top 4. Now why them create space under for us? So that we could answer top something. Now Liverpool don't leave us. We still dey here. See your mouth like EPL title. You want jump queue? You must reach top 4 before you start to the content for title. Make I no hear your mouth for here again. Foolish boy. We no go only reach top 4 for this season. We go also carry Europa League this season. So that even if them no gree us enter top 4, we must to still go Champions League. At least we don't buy better player wey fit help us disturb defense. If we go Champions League next season, then go increase our budget and we go fit buy new players.
Boys, last season, we carry Champions League and we almost carry Premier League. This season, our main objective na to carry Premier League. This jazz wey them jazz us on top this Premier League title must break this season. We must to go mountain of fire for deliverance so that them go use all the fire wey them get to burn the jazz comot.
Guys, we don conquer EPL. E remain Champions League. Everybody dey call us local champion now. Na time to show them say we no local. This season, we must carry Champions League. De Bruyne, say no to injury this season.
Hurricane and brothers, we must continue to spoil market for all these big clubs since we never get money to spend like them. Until board give us money to buy better players. Our job na to spoil market for other big clubs, especially Arsenal.